Good morning, children. My name is Sheila and I am going to teach you English. The name of today's lesson is Concrete and Abstract Nouns. In today's aim, students will be able to identify and use abstract and concrete nouns. In today's lesson, we are having two keywords. One is abstract noun and the other one is concrete noun. Abstract noun meaning is a noun that refers to an intangible concept such as emotion, a feeling, a quality or an idea. Concrete noun meaning is a noun that can be identified through one of the five senses like taste, touch, sight, hearing or smell. Look at the table shown on the screen. I have chosen few nouns which starts with a particular letter like M, E and S. For example, there are four nouns which starts with letter M, mala, market, mouse and mango, which are name of a person, place, animal and thing respectively. Similarly, we have nouns starting with alphabet E, Isha, Egypt, elephant and egg. And lastly, we have nouns starting with alphabet S, Sana, school, snake and socks. So in this table, can you touch, feel, see, hear or taste the nouns we have written? Yes, these nouns can be sensed with our five senses. Our five senses are touching, feeling, seeing, hearing and tasting. So the nouns that can be sensed with our five senses are called as concrete nouns. Look at the table given on the screen. Example of concrete nouns are stick, stone, pencil. Examples of abstract nouns are truth, honesty and love. Stick, stone, pencil are all concrete nouns. We couldn't see truth, honesty and love. These are abstract nouns. Why do we use abstract nouns? How do concrete nouns help us write a sentence? Abstract nouns tell us about ideas, beliefs or things that we cannot see. They are useful when we want to describe an idea, feeling, belief or something else that does not exist in a physical form. Concrete nouns help us to identify people, places, animals and things. What difference do you see between the words anger and angry in the sentences? He couldn't hide his anger with us. I have never seen her look so angry. The word anger is a noun and the word angry is an adjective. Many words have noun and adjective forms as well as verb and adverb forms. I hope you will be able to identify and use abstract nouns and concrete nouns. Thank you.